guess what? I am not a 5th grader anymore because I just finished my last ELG. So I am a 6th grader finally. So I just finished my last day of school and I am so excited. So to celebrate, I am going to do an arts and crafts that I saw on YouTube Shorts. Is it going to be a fail or is it going to be a good thing? I have a hot glue gun. And basically, you're going to have to fill in everywhere. Because if you just fill in the circles, then only the circles will come out. So, you want to do it with me? First, we're going to put glitter in it so we can have some fun things in it. I put it a lot in the hole. Guys, I'm so scared. I don't want to ruin my precious poppet. So I got a face mask because the glue is really hot, like burning. Guys, make your parents buy you. Guys, I'm afraid of hot things, if you guys don't know that. I'm so scared. So we're going to let this dry for 5 minutes and I'll see you in 5 minutes. So make sure the glue isn't hot or sticky. Let's do this. It's working. Oh, the head fell. Give this like and a subscribe if this worked for you guys. There. It won't pop! That was a fail. Okay guys, so me and my mom just watched the video again. So, yeah, I'm gonna take it out. This is how it looks like. It looks so real. But I watched the video on YouTube. And it's not possible. I was so stupid. It's literally not possible because hot glue dries. It looks like a poppet, but it's not possible. They were just like doing this. But it's literally not possible if you try with all your might. See? Because you think on the other end, look, there's not holes. It is possible if you like poke holes on the back, but then that's gonna poke this because it's really small. Look. So you see this regular poppet? It's real. But then look, it has enough room to go through. This one doesn't. So it's a cap, which means it's a lie. Well, I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you guys have a good day and I love you guys. Bye.